Hello everyone, I am Rosa from CSP Group. Today I would like to introduce our water heater factory. The factory has more than 30 workers. All of them are technicians with 10 to 20 years of work experience. The company specializes in providing customers with solar water heater OEM services exported to more than 20 countries and regions: Mexico, Brazil, Vietnam, Lebanon, Syria, Europe, South Africa, and so on. We can produce the solar water heater with thickness of 0.31 mm, 0 at 41 mm, and 0.5 mm according to the needs of customers. Demand for the production of solar water heaters with a thickness of 0.31 mm, 0, 41 mm, 0.5 mm. The materials include pure stainless steel and galvanized material, 2 kinds of stainless steel. Raw materials are selected from the best domestic stainless steel factories, such as the thickness of the inner belt of 0.31 mm. The thickness of ours is higher than 0.35 mm at the same time. For the welding process, I invented a patented special coating, which is a special anti-corrosive coating on the stainless steel welding surface to play a protective role greatly. The welded surface of stainless steel plays a protective role in greatly extending the service life of the product at least 2 to 3 years to avoid customers in the process of using the water leakage of the water heater foam thickness of 50 millimeters to ensure the insulation effect of the current daily production of solar energy for 300 units of solar energy. Sincerely hope to provide more customers with solar energy water heater OEM services. We will guarantee the best quality on the basis of the most favorable price for your contribution to the global energy saving and environmental protection. We will continue to contribute to global energy saving and environmental protection. We will guarantee the best quality and provide you with the most favorable price to contribute to the global energy saving and environmental protection. Thank you.